Here's a man with killer instinct. Hey, Randy. And here's Tony, who's going to enter in the combat as well. Now this is a real optimist. He doesn't even have a propeller and he's going to fly combat.
We're going to see how this goes.
All right. What you getting ready to do there, John?
We're going to fly some combat.
Some combat here out at Amos on Electric Fun Fly Day.
Electric Fun Fly Day.
Here goes John. Here's 3 of the conspirators. John's already lost his ribbon.
That was mine. But the ribbon stayed on, so I'm good.
Yeah, when you have to land it, you can't crash it and count.
I'm going to go grab it and toss it back up. I'm the wrong way.
I'm about out of batteries. I'm going to have to land. I'm out of batteries. Landing! Yeah, come on back, guys.
I'm just trying to keep mine in the air. That ribbon is just pulling it off to the side like nobody's business.
Yeah, that's who you can try to put that through.
Yeah.
Here, you can snap up the last like 3 feet or so. That'll be fine. Snap it off? Pull off? No, it lasts like 3 to 5 feet here. That's the line right there. Yeah, just take that much off. Alright, let go.
Now, Randy, you happen to have 2 ribbons. Yours and John Hanelin's, right?
I heard you get a hamburger for the first cut.
2 hamburgers.